Worried about your money when you're sending it to friends? Ever hit send on Venmo and then instantly regretted it, picturing your hard-earned cash floating off into the digital ether, never to be seen again? You're not alone. In an age where digital payments are the norm, the convenience of apps like Venmo is undeniable. But with that convenience comes a crucial question: how secure is your money, really? And more importantly, what can you do to ensure it stays safe? We all love Venmo. It's quick, it's easy, and it's become the go-to for splitting dinner bills, paying rent, or even just sending a friend a quick tenner for that coffee you owe them. But because it deals with our money, even small transactions, the underlying security of the platform, and our individual practices are paramount. Think about it. If someone gains unauthorized access to your Venmo, they could drain your balance, use your linked bank account or credit card, and even wreak havoc on your financial life. This isn't just about losing a few dollars, it's about protecting your entire financial ecosystem. Now, Venmo, like any reputable financial technology company, invests heavily in security. They employ encryption, fraud detection algorithms, and various other measures to protect your data and transactions. However, no system is entirely foolproof, and the weakest link in any security chain is often the user. That's where you come in. Your habits, your vigilance, and your understanding of best practices are just as vital, if not more so, than the security measures Venmo itself implements. So, let's dive deep into the world of Venmo security, not from a place of fear, but from a place of empowerment. We're going to equip you with actionable tips, practical advice, and a comprehensive understanding of how to safeguard your funds and your peace of mind while using this incredibly convenient app. This isn't about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. It's about taking control of your financial security in the digital age. Our journey begins with the foundational elements of digital security, your password. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people still use easily guessable passwords or, worse, reuse the same password across multiple platforms. For your Venmo account, your password needs to be a fortress. Think long, think complex. We're talking a minimum of 12 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal information like birth dates, pet names, or anniversaries. These are often the first things a hacker will try. Instead, consider using a password manager. Tools like LastPass, 1Password, or Bitwarden can generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts and store them securely, meaning you only need to remember one master password. This is a game changer for overall digital security and especially crucial for financial apps. Beyond the password, Venmo offers a critical layer of defense, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. If you're not using 2FA for your Venmo account, stop reading this and enable it immediately. Seriously. Two-factor authentication adds an extra step to the login process. After you enter your password, Venmo will send a unique code to your registered phone number or email address. You'll need to enter this code to complete the login. This means that even if a hacker manages to crack your password, they still won't be able to access your account without also having access to your phone or email. It's a powerful deterrent and one of the most effective security measures you can implement. Now, let's talk about something many of us overlook: public Wi-Fi. We've all been there, sitting in a coffee shop, airport, or hotel, desperately needing to send a quick payment. Public Wi-Fi networks are notoriously insecure. They often lack encryption, making it easy for malicious actors to eavesdrop on your internet traffic. This means they could potentially intercept your Venmo login credentials or transaction details. The golden rule here is simple: never access your Venmo account or conduct any financial transactions over unsecured public Wi-Fi. If you must use Venmo on the go, use your mobile data or a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, creating a secure tunnel for your data, even on public networks. Phishing scams are another significant threat that you need to be aware of. This is where fraudsters try to trick you into revealing your personal information, like your Venmo login details, by posing as a legitimate entity. You might receive an email or a text message that looks like it's from Venmo, asking you to click on a link to verify your account, update your information, or address a suspicious activity. These links often lead to fake websites designed to steal your credentials. Always be suspicious of unsolicited communications asking for personal information. Venmo will never ask for your password or full financial details via email or text. If you receive such a message, do not click on any links. Instead, go directly to the official Venmo website or open the app on your phone to check your account or contact support. Look for inconsistencies in email addresses, grammatical errors, and a sense of urgency in the message. These are all red flags. Let's also discuss the friends you interact with on Venmo. Venmo is designed for payments between people you know and trust. While it might seem convenient to pay a stranger for something, exercising caution is crucial. If you're buying something from someone you don't know, especially a high-value item, Venmo might not be the most secure payment method. Unlike services like PayPal's goods and services, Venmo doesn't offer buyer or seller protection for transactions between individuals. This means if you send money to someone who doesn't deliver the goods or services as promised, you might have limited recourse to get your money back. For these types of transactions, consider using methods that offer built-in protection, or meet in person and exchange goods and payments simultaneously. Regularly monitoring your Venmo activity is another non-negotiable security practice. Just as you check your bank statements and credit card bills, you should regularly review your Venmo transaction history. Look for any unauthorized transactions, no matter how small. Even a tiny, unfamiliar charge could be a sign that your account has been compromised. If you spot anything suspicious, report it to Venmo support immediately. The sooner you report it, the better your chances of resolving the issue. Set up notifications in the Venmo app to alert you for every transaction. This way, you'll be instantly aware of any activity on your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.